Okay then guys, let's have a go at 26 then. We've got this matrix as a 3 by 3 matrix. So we've got here this matrix to the -1. The first thing to do is get the determinant, isn't it? So let's get det A equals, okay, so what have we got? Let's run along the top, put a plus, a minus here. I'll just get rid of that might, because that's going to get in the way, that is, and we're going to see what's what. So let's get back, and a plus, minus, and a plus. We know this is matrix A, we're just labeling it as plus, minus, plus then. So we got plus 4 times its associated minor, minus 7 times its minor, and then it would be -1, wouldn't it? Times its minor. Agreed? So 3 minus 4, 4, 3. 3 minus 4, 4, 3. And then the 7, it was 2 minus, cross out the row and column containing the 7. It's 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3. And then the -1, cross out the row and column. You're left with these 4. 2, 3 minus 1, 4. -1, 4. The first one, just to remind you, if I missed that out, row and column, it leaves these 4. 3 minus 4, 4, 3. There we go. So the determinant then, it's 4. It would be 9. Take -16, so it's plus 16. Minus 7. 6. Take away, and that will give plus 4, so it's just 4. Minus 1 lot of 8. Take away -3. 8 take away minus, so it's a plus 3, yeah? So we get 4 times 25, which is 100. So I'll just put 100. So that's 100. Minus 7 times 2 is minus 14. And then you've got 11 minus 11. So it's 100, take 14, take 11, which is 25. So you end up with 75. That's the determinant then. Now we need the cofactor matrix, so I'll just put it here. I'll give us plenty of room, and it's plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and you do need plenty of room, plus, minus, and plus. There we go. So what have we got here then? This entry, we could get it, crib it from here if we want to, because it's the same entry, isn't it? It's the 3 minus 4, 4, 3. And this entry here is the same as what you would get here. So it's 2 minus 4, 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. Yeah, and this entry 2, 3, minus 1, 4. So you could crib it, or you could just write them down again. It's the same difference really. This one then, 2, element, row and column, 7 minus 1, 4, 3. And the middle one, we get 4 minus 1, minus 1, 3. And then this one, the minus 4 element, you get 4, 7 minus 1, 4. And then this one, row and column, 7 minus 1, 3 minus 4. Helps if I write the right number. Very easy to make a mistake with these. Row and column, 7 minus 1, 3 and minus 4, yeah? And then this one, that's that one there, taken away. 4 minus 1, 2 minus 4. And then the last one here, row and column, 4, 7, 2, 3. There we go. So what does the cofactor matrix equal then? So what do we get? 9, take minus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25, which is what we had here. And then we've got to be a bit careful here, mind. 6 take away 4 is 2, but we've got minus 2. Yeah? And then we've got 8 take away minus 3, which is 11, plus 11. So we've got just 11. 21 take away minus 4 is 25 with a minus. 12 take away, and that's going to be 1, isn't it, that product, because there's 2 minuses. 12 take 1 is 11. And this one, 16. Take away minus 7 is plus 7. 16 plus 7 is 23. And there's a minus in front of it there. Minus 28, yeah? Take away minus 3, which is plus 3. Minus 28 plus 3 is minus 25. Minus 16. Take away minus 2 is plus 2. Minus 16 plus 2 is minus 14, but there's a minus there, so it's plus 14. And then the last one, 12, take away 14. 12, take 14 is minus 2, plus the minus is a minus, and you get minus 2. That's C. So we can write down C transpose then. And this is the adjoint. So I'll put that here underneath. C transpose. Well, it'll be 25 minus 2, 11. The first row becomes the first column. Then the second row becomes the second column. Minus 25, 11, minus 23. And then the third row becomes the third column. Minus 25, 14, and minus 2. There we are. There's the adjoint, or the transpose of the cofactor matrix. And now we can simply write down the inverse. So a to the minus 1 then is 1 over det A is 1 over 75. And the inverse of this times the adjoint, which is 25 minus 25 minus 25 minus 2, 11 and 14, and 11 minus 23 and minus 2. There we go. Good. That's that one done. 26. Okay, then as a final little thing, I thought I'd just look up a little simple online matrix calculator. Easy calculation for matrices. Here's our matrix, and it gives us the adjoint, the determinant, and the inverse, and that's fine. Everything's fine. 1 over 75 is just entered here as entries, yeah? And they're all the same, so that's fine. 26 done. Good.